Oh.
Oh, give him a minute.
I don't understand, cat. What do you want?
Okay, so DJ has been gassy, and I saw this on TikTok where you do this. You stretch, and then... Did you just fart, bro? What's wrong? Hey, buddy. Oh.